What does Elon Musk's back out of Twitter mean for investors? Let's start the countdown and find out. Welcome back to the Investor Place Launchpad, where we take a look at trending investment ideas and try to rocket them to the moon. I'm head of Mission Control, Aaron Davis, and we are back after another week off. Happy belated holidays to all, and it seems that we're beginning to see the fallout of Elon Musk's back out of the Twitter deal that has seen a roller coaster of ups and downs since Musk first began making moves to acquire the social networking site some months ago. As always, before we dive in, we'd love to continue to grow our channel here at Investor Place, so feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell to stay up to date with us here at the Launchpad. With all of that out of the way, let's dive right in and examine some of the fallout from the Musk Twitter deal. When last we explored the initial musings of Elon Musk's acquisition of the social media platform Twitter, we delved into an announcement that Musk would be joining its board of directors after quietly buying up 9.1% of the company's stake, making him its largest stakeholder. At the time, Musk was apparently not satisfied with just having a seat on the board and declined the invitation. By not joining the board, Musk retained the ability to buy out the company, and it began to look like the beginnings of a hostile takeover. A proposed deal was set for $54.20 a share, or a total of $44 billion. While Musk's takeover of Twitter initially seemed to stem from issues of free speech, his concerns about fake accounts began to take center stage. In fact, the billionaire entrepreneur has been hinting for months that he may abandon the deal if the company would not provide him with the bot data he was demanding. And on July 8th, it happened. Musk officially canceled his proposed takeover Twitter, sending shares of the stock down 6% on Monday morning. Lawyers for Musk have told Twitter's board of directors that he is terminating the deal over said concerns about the number of bots and fake accounts on the social media platform. Twitter responded by saying it had plans to pursue legal action to enforce the acquisition agreement, sending the saga to the courts. Dan Ives, a Wedbush analyst who covers Tesla, certainly called it all those months ago, stating, "This now goes from a Cinderella story with Musk joining the Twitter board to likely a Game of Thrones battle between Musk and Twitter." While the fallout from Musk's change of heart is taking a toll on Twitter stock, the news has been a boon for some other companies. Both Digital World Acquisition and Phunware are rallying, with DWAC up 16% and Fun up 10% as of yesterday morning. What's the connection? These stocks are closely tied to the Trump Media and Technology Group, the social media company founded by former U.S. President Donald Trump and the company behind Truth Social, a social media website touting its commitment and principle of free speech. DWAC is the SPAC that helped launch Truth Social and has agreed to merge with Trump Media, while Phunware, markets software utilized to target consumers online, worked with Trump's 2020 re-election campaign. Thus, it has consequently been seen as being linked to Truth Social. With Truth Social focused on direct competition with Twitter, investors seem to see any bad news for the social media giant as good news for DWAC, TMTG, and Fun. However, it should be noted that despite these jumps in price, Truth Social is still off to a rather rocky start since its launch, driving shares of DWAC down 46% year to date, with Fun similarly down 49% year to date. TMTG has also received subpoenas from both a federal grand jury and securities regulators, while Digital World has been served with a subpoena by the grand jury. The SEC has been probing whether Digital World and TMTG held illegal meetings before Digital World launched its initial public offering. It seems social media platforms across the board are facing their fair share of challenges that make investing in them an uncertainty as of now. However, Samuel O'Brien looked at 5 stocks to buy as Elon Musk terminates his Twitter deal. O'Brien surmises that for other companies, the termination of Musk's Twitter deal is good news, and that the following may be investments to profit from Musk's termination of the Twitter deal. For the full breakdown, you can head on over to investorplace.com, but O'Brien suggests the following. Tesla, Musk's largest holding, will no longer have to worry about compromised leadership. Digital World Acquisition Corp, Donald Trump's social media platform, won't have to lose users. Phunware, this software Trump trade, often moves in solidarity with DWAC. CF Acquisition Corp 6, the partner of conservative platform Rumble, boasts the same user base as Truth Social. And lastly, DatChat, this alternative social media platform, won't have to deal with increasing competition. While we already looked at DWAC and Fun, DatChat proves to be another platform to benefit from the Musk backout. Since 2021, alternative social media platforms have been rising in popularity as users have become concerned about data privacy and encryption. As IP reported back in January, as the market prepared for Truth Social's launch, DatChat has gained notoriety in recent months as a social media option for those seeking a platform that prioritizes data privacy and protection. Its use of blockchain technology makes this possible, and it has resonated with retail investors. As O'Brien puts it, with Twitter remaining as it is, platforms like DatChat can continue to grow without seeing their market share compromised. While the future of the Twitter deal will most likely be played out in the courts and we likely won't see a conclusion for a while, the drama has certainly painted a somewhat Shakespearean play that has, at the very least, entertained those who follow along. But what do you think? Will Musk ultimately be forced to acquire Twitter? Does Truth Social present an alternative to the social media giant? Are there other social media platforms that can disrupt Twitter's hold on the social media market? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, that's all we have from the Launchpad this week. If you'd like more insights like this and Samuel O'Brien's full breakdown of the 5 stocks to buy as Elon Musk terminates his Twitter deal, head on over to investorplace.com where we release articles daily. And as always, check back with us here at the Launchpad where we will continue to look for trends like Musk and Twitter. And as always, try to shoot for the moon.